Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about how to set your home page in WordPress. It is super easy. All you have to do is go to your dashboard. So we'll do that. And then click on settings and then go down to reading. And then it'll say up here at the top your home page displays, and mine's currently set to my latest post, so my blog. So you'll want to set this and then select the page that you would like to have for your blog. So I'll go ahead and say home 3, and you can also set your blog page as well. And so if I set my blog page to sample page, or my post page to sample page, then it's going to ignore the current contents of sample page and it's just going to put the blog. So let's go ahead and save this and see what happens. And then we can go to our page, and here is my beautiful new home page, and then the sample page, and now you've got your blog post. And that's it.